everyone, today I will show you how to draw this beautiful Indian woman. So let's start. First you have to take a paper. Now lots of people are questioning me about this paper. This is the normal art paper that you use in your art projects in schools and colleges. I have cut this paper into A4 size and I am using a mechanical pencil. This is from Camlin. You can use any brand, all are same. Why I am using this pencil? Because I don't need to sharp a lot of time. This is very helpful for fine details, and also I can use this for darker areas also. It works for both. Now first you have to draw it very lightly. As I always tell, if you draw darkly then you have to erase a lot. So first you have to make the rough sketch. Rough sketch means the sketch that you will draw very lightly, because in this moment you can erase 100 times when you are doing it very lightly. After final drawing you have to then darken the portion. As you can see, I am about to finish the rough sketch. After this I will make the darker areas now. So enjoy the drawing along with the music. Also, this is the part 1 of my drawing. Part 2 will be coming after this. So follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content. Now I have started doing the face. This is actually not Lumi's method. This is my method. I am very comfortable doing this style. In this face you can see the nose is little shorter than a usual face, because I made this face little cuter. If the nose is longer, then the face will not look cute. So you see, I am doing it little dark in some areas, because I know that I do not have to rub this. Also, I am using kneadable eraser from Brush Stroke, or you can use any brand. Kneadable eraser is very good for erasing these lines. Also, I am using the normal eraser from Doms or the Apsara non-dust erasers. Those we use normally. For more darken areas I am using this Camlin blue color pencil. This is very dark, and just I am doing the eyelash and all the detailing part with this dark pencil. Actually this is not necessary if you are coloring, so this is not necessary. To enhance the drawing, to show you, that's why I am doing this. When you are drawing, please don't do this in dark way. If you darken all the pencil lines, what will happen? After coloring with watercolor or oil pastel, you will see that the color will blend with the pencil lines and you will see the darker colors. Everything will become blackish. So don't shade. If you want to shade properly. If you want to color, so you don't have to shade or do the lines darkly.